November 2022. OpenAI releases ChatGPT. Several days pass and what seemed to be just another chatbot becomes a household name. How did that happen? And what is ChatGPT? But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're aiming for 1,000 subscribers and you, yes you, are the one who can help us break that milestone. So, ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is the latest word in the artificial intelligence market. It is a language processing model designed to hold human-like conversations. To do so, it was fed with entire libraries of data, anything from books and articles to websites and chat conversations. They were all analysed to find patterns and replicate them. Basically, ChatGPT was taught to think and act as a human. Sure, it does not have emotions or conscience, but it can solve problems in a matter of milliseconds thanks to its immense processing power. What distinguishes ChatGPT from other chatbots is the ability to understand endless variants of requests, use 90 different languages, and even analyse an ongoing conversation to learn from it. And the cherry on the top, it is completely free for anyone. How to use ChatGPT? Just give it a prompt. Ask it to write, say, a poem in the style of Shakespeare, and it will do just that. Ask it to write 1,000 more poems, and it will comply. ChatGPT does not get tired or bored and will follow your every request. There are more practical ways to use it. ChatGPT can write you a cover letter, compose an essay, or solve a maths problem. It can even fix a programming code, a feature that may have given Microsoft the idea to invest in OpenAI. Speaking of code, can it break into the military servers and instigate an AI revolt? No. The chatbot is programmed to decline any harmful requests, but it is not foolproof. There have been cases of ChatGPT complying with some creative demands and almost being made to write ChatGPT malware, because just as any other program, AI is a tool and it can be used to create both problems and solutions. So, if ChatGPT is so good, will it replace other tools like Google? Can it even replace people and steal their jobs? These are questions for another video. So there you go, ChatGPT Explained. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech, cybersecurity, and AI news. Bye bye!